The Miracle Makers: How Stem Cells Revolutionize Skin Health. Stem cell therapy for skin health revolves around harnessing the regenerative abilities of specialized cells to rejuvenate and repair damaged skin tissues. By introducing stem cells into the skin, either through topical application or injection, they can promote tissue repair, collagen production, and improve overall skin texture and elasticity. Stem cell therapy for skin health may involve the use of mesenchymal stem cells derived from adipose tissue, bone marrow, or even umbilical cord blood, which possess remarkable regenerative properties. Ongoing research in this field aims to enhance our understanding of how stem cells interact with the skin microenvironment, optimize delivery methods, and develop innovative therapies to address various skin conditions, including aging, scars, and chronic wounds. For more such videos, like and subscribe to our channel.